Radio Giornale Bellunese, now airing. Daily news from the Belluno province. Welcome to a new edition of Radio Giornale Bellunese. These are the news from today, September 23rd, 2022. Accident yesterday afternoon in Pedavena. In grave conditions, a farmer who fell and hurt her head. The woman, working at the holiday farm Casera dei Boschi in Piandavena, was bringing the cows back to the shed when one of them attacked her and knocked her over. After being brought to Feltres Hospital, her condition worsened, and she was transferred to Treviso's Casfoncello's neurosurgery department. Man living in Cuerovas processed for persecutory acts against his ex-wife. In the period between October and December 2020, he is believed to have stalked her, sequestered her phone to check her contacts, and, on one occasion, have assaulted one of her acquaintances. The next hearing will be on the 12th of December. Sport in Piazza will return in Belluno on the 1st of October. From 9 to 13, it will be dedicated to schools, while from 15 to 17:30, children will be able to come accompanied by their families. On the 30th of September, the Maratona di Lettura will be held in Feltre, coinciding with the 50th anniversary of Dino Buzzati's death. At the Santuario dei Santi Vittorio e Corona, at 18:30, there will be the event Il grande ritratto e altri racconti, la figura ai temi di Dino Buzzati a 50 anni dalla morte. The introduction will be made by Vania Strada, the reading by the I caratteri atipici group, accompanied by Daniele Bortoluz's violin. At the Polo Bibliotecario Feltrino, there will be an exhibition of Dino Buzzati and his works. Passing to sports, football, Serie D. Dolomiti Bellunesi announced the acquisition of the Italo-Brazilian right-back Eduardo Alcides Dias, of the 2002 class. On Sunday is scheduled the beginning of the Eccellenza Championship for Dolomiti's women team, which will play against Spinea. Volleyball. This evening, the Real Belluno will have an exhibition match against Monselice, team that will also face in the Serie A3 Championship. The game will be at Spes Arena at 20. On Saturday, HL Immobiliare Volley Belluno will have its debut in Coppa Veneto against Cassa Rurale Dolomiti Feltre. The game will begin at the Demas at 18:30. Finally, hockey. Cortina wins against Alps League Zelam-C, the first team of the list. The final result was of 4-3. Next, Cortina will play against Broncos di Vipiteno. And that is all for today's edition. We wish you a nice day in the company of Radio ABM, the Bellunesi nel Mondo Association's web radio. You just listened to Radio Giornale Bellunese, daily news from the Belluno province.